Real simple video, not really for content, more than for an opportunity for pretty much the world to vote. As you know, I've been fixing up my Explorer, and now I'm doing modifications such as the big wheel install with the push out and what have you. This is one of my next projects. I just picked these up today at my local wrecking yard. They are not installed. I just have it sitting up here, so you can see the little gap here is actually just because it's not installed. It's literally just kind of sitting on there. But I want to do it. I definitely want fog lights on top, and I like the way the Liberty Renegade has this look to it. So let's see if I could do this properly here. Yeah, that'll work. So thumbs up for yes vote, thumbs down for no vote. Please be honest with this. Don't triple and double thumbs up on all of your YouTube accounts, and the same thing for don't triple and double all of your no votes for dislike. This is a video presentation as a voting presentation. Thumbs up, you like it, and I should install it and do a tutorial. Dislike meaning it doesn't look good and probably shouldn't waste the time and just go ahead and sell the lights. But I like it, and it's gonna look good. And then after I get it installed, I'll also be working on my roof rack. I got an idea inspired by the FJ Cruiser. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and definitely like and subscribe if you think that this is a good idea to go for it and go ahead and install. Subscribe anyway, because I got a lot of builds and mods. Well, not a lot, but you know, a few that I do on my Explorer project, 5th Gen. Talk to you later. Stay safe.